Tasty and soft carrot cake loaded with almonds. This carrot almond cake is very tasty and good snack to eat with tea. Very simple to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special carrot almond cake. First take 150 grams of carrot, peel the outer layer, cut and remove the top and bottom edges. Now cut into small pieces and drop into blender jar. Now blend and make it into a fine paste and keep aside. Now take 50 grams of almonds and roast them on medium flame. After cool down, cut each almond into 3-4 pieces and keep aside. Now take 50 grams of prunes or raisin. Wash them and press with dry cloth to absorb extra moisture. Now in a mixing bowl, break 2 eggs and whisk the eggs till yolk and white combines. When yolk and white combines, take 80 grams of melted unsalted butter and add little by little to the egg and continue whisking. If you add all the butter once, butter will not combine with egg well. When you have finished adding butter, take 70 grams of sugar and add to the egg mixture and whisk till the sugar melts. When sugar melts, take out the whisk and add blended carrot paste and mix carrot and egg mixture with spoon. Now in a sieve, take 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of almond flour and 4 grams of baking powder. Now sift in all the dry ingredients. If you don't find the almond flour, blend 50 grams of almonds and add. Now mix the dry ingredients with egg mixture in cut and fold method. When dry ingredients mixed well, add prunes and chopped almonds and mix. Now take rectangle loaf mold. Place the parchment paper in it. Pour the cake batter in the mold. Now spread 15 grams of sliced almonds on the top. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. After 35 minutes, take out the cake. Cover and rest it for 10 minutes. You can use stretch film or polyethylene bag. This process makes the cake moist. After 10 minutes, our carrot almond cake is ready to serve. Because of carrot, the cake will spoil faster. So, store in the fridge. Then it will be good up to 2 days. In other case, consume in the same day. Look at inside, how moist the cake is. Best serve warm.